Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share notes to Instagram Reels and posts. So let's get started. So now here we are on our App Store, and from here you want to make sure that you download Instagram from here and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. You don't have the update button right here. This is very important so that you would have the latest feature, because the adding of notes to Instagram Reels and posts is only on the latest version on Instagram. And if you're in Android, you can just go into your Play Store and update your app from there. And now once you have the Instagram app updated, you want to open the Instagram app just like so right here. And from here, you simply want to go and find a post that you want to add notes in. So for example, this one. And I'm going to tap here on the share button right here at the bottom of this video. So tap on it. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on add note at the bottom left of your screen. And now that's all you have to do right here, and tap your note or type your note right here. So for example, I'm just gonna put a laugh right here and tap on share. And now right there, as you can see, it has now a note right there, as you can see at the bottom left of the video. So that's how you do it. Or you could go for the reels. So you could tap on the reels section at the bottom of your screen. Right here, tap on reels, and this is where you can see the reels. And from here, all you have to do again is tap on the share button. So it is on the right bottom of the screen. So tap on it. And then from here, tap on the add note again at the bottom left. And then all you have to do right now is add a note. So for example, I'm just going to go and laugh again, just for an example. And from here, you can do this, by the way. You can share with followers. You follow back, and you have other options like for close friends. If you want to, then you can also do that. But in my case, I'll just leave it be and tap on share. And then as you can see, it will now be prompted at the bottom left of this video right here. It has my note in it. So that is basically how you can do it. Thank you for watching.